Hello everybody, once again Kiran Paul in front of you. Now we are here for the site visit. This apartment is on for sale and we are in SN Claremont, which is in Hebbal, Bangalore. So let's go and this is the entrance. This is the hall. As soon as you enter, on your right side is the hall. Access to the balcony. Balcony completely opens to Bangalore view. Beautiful view. Higher floor. Big balcony which you can enjoy. There's the living room again. So let's go to the dining hall. This is dining hall. So the apartment has the ventilation. So now we are seeing the west portion of this property. Very beautiful view, whatever the weather is. You can see the lake from both sides. Pool view, podium view. This is where kitchen. A big kitchen we can see here from this corner. This is a brand new apartment for sale. This is the utility area which has a GAIL gas connection. The meter is already fixed. Nice view from all the corners. Now on my right side is the servant room or the maid's room. If you have in-house or which will come and help you out and they can use it, the washroom for them. There's separate entry. So let's go to the bedroom area. So this access is connected to all the 3 bedrooms. The right side is the common wash. Nice tile fittings, also marble. The flooring is tile fittings, larger tiles, and the wooden flooring. Now this is the master bedroom. Also has a balcony. The balcony protrudes outside completely. You can see the lake. (180-degree) let's go to wardrobe area. So this area can be used for making wardrobes. Many people in this property has removed this wall and made a good extra storage space. And on my right now you see this is master bedroom washroom. Nice marble, good fittings. Brand new apartment on for sale. This is the wall which I am talking about. This wall can be removed and you make a good wardrobe in this corner. So what happens is finally you remove this wall and then you have a good open space and you can see the wardrobe clearly. Now let's go to guest room. This is the guest room. So this guest room has a separate access for the common wash, or whoever guest is coming for short time, you can still use that common wash. Again the pool view and the podium view from this balcony. You can hear the sound of the wind. So let's go to kids room. This is the kids room. Same good fittings. Since it is dark, there is no light. It's a brand new apartment. Let's go to the third balcony. Basically 3 BHKs will have 3 balconies here. Beautiful view again. So this was the visit for 3 BHK and the size is 2526 square feet, 2526 square feet. Hope you liked the visit, and if you want to buy, just call me or WhatsApp me. We'll give you the visit again. And if you like it, put your thumbs up, subscribe it so that you can keep seeing my properties coming on YouTube, and please share it with your other friends who are looking for more properties. So this is Kiran Paul again signing off. Thank you for seeing this video. See you once again. Bye bye.